we have equipment as well that farmers can rent on an hourly basis, and a whole host of things from hand tools to walk behind tractors and a walk behind cultivator to tractors and implements, including an electric tractor, which is a new investment that we got recently.
Ooh, what kind is it?
It's a Monarch, which is,
Okay.
yeah, it's kind of rethinking what electric tractors, or what tractors are, I should say. Um, yeah.
So it's just a PTO tractor,
So,
choose whatever implement you need that day, but it's electric?
yes, so it's a 50 horse equivalent. Yeah, four-wheel drive, PTO, Category 1 tractor, but it
Okay.
also has autonomous driving mode. It has cameras
Whoa.
all around. It's a mobile battery bank. So yeah, we can, if we have a project like an irrigation pipe breaks, we could drive out to that site and dig down and find the pipe and hook up a sump pump to the tractor and pump it out. Or we have a mini welder that we can utilize with the tractor, which is kind of cool.
Awesome.